Respect is a fundamental aspect of any healthy relationship, and it is not limited to a specific gender. While generalizations about what commands respect can be misleading, certain traits tend to foster admiration and esteem. This article aims to explore 9 qualities that contribute to earning respect, regardless of gender, emphasizing the importance of mutual respect in fostering meaningful connections. 1. Self-confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Women who exude self-assurance and believe in their abilities are often respected. This doesn't mean being arrogant but rather having a healthy self-esteem that inspires others. 2. Assertiveness, not aggressiveness. Assertiveness involves expressing one's opinions and needs while respecting others. Women who can confidently communicate without being aggressive garner respect by creating open and honest dialogue. 3. Empathy and compassion. Understanding and empathizing with others' feelings and experiences is a powerful trait. Women who show compassion and consideration towards others naturally earn respect for their ability to connect on a deeper level. 4. Integrity. Consistency in actions, honesty, and ethical behavior contribute to a person's integrity. Women who uphold their values and principles, even in challenging situations, are likely to be respected for their unwavering moral compass. 5. Competence and continuous learning. Demonstrating competence in one's field and a commitment to learning and growth fosters respect. Whether in professional or personal spheres, women who strive for excellence and adaptability are admired. 6. Independence. Independence doesn't imply isolation but rather a woman's ability to stand on her own feet, make decisions, and pursue her goals. This autonomy commands respect as it reflects strength and resilience. 7. Emotional intelligence. Being attuned to one's emotions and those of others is a valuable skill. Women who navigate interpersonal relationships with emotional intelligence, handling conflicts with maturity and understanding, often earn respect. 8. Accountability. Taking responsibility for one's actions, whether they lead to success or failure, is a hallmark of a respected individual. Women who own up to their mistakes and work towards improvement are admired for their accountability. 9. Supportiveness. Building others up rather than tearing them down creates a positive and nurturing environment. Women who support and uplift those around them, fostering a sense of community, are likely to be respected for their generosity and kindness. Conclusion. Respect is a two-way street, and these traits are not exclusive to any gender. By embodying qualities such as self-confidence, empathy, and accountability, women and men alike can cultivate an atmosphere of mutual respect. Ultimately, recognizing and appreciating each other's strengths and differences contributes to stronger, healthier relationships.